How modern multi-core space processors increase data thanks to lossless compression? That is the question I will try to answer in this video. Hi all, my name is Manuel Blanco. I am an application engineer for Teledyne e2v. I'm specialized in the software part of our space-grade processors. Space missions, where bandwidth and storage capacity are always economically constrained, demand efficient data management and transmission techniques. Ideally, effective data compression that conserve essential information while minimizing data set size can be used on board. This type of application places high demand in terms of computing power and resistance to irradiation in space. It's to address this issue that Teledyne e2v's processors exist. The focus of this study is two ARM multi-core A72 based processors, the LS1046 and the LX2160 communication processor, which are compared with equivalent industrial-grade processors. For the smooth running of the video, it will be done thanks to several chapters that you can inspect freely thanks to the timecode available just below. To introduce the demonstration, I will present you Teledyne e2v solution for power computing in space. Then I will make a quick lesson about compression algorithm. Furthermore, I will show you our hardware and software setup for the benchmark. And to finish, we will see the live demonstration and result of the benchmark. LS1046 and LX2160 are multi-core 64-bit ARM Cortex-A72 processors. They are radiation-tolerant design manufactured by Teledyne e2v. They serve many applications requiring compute-intensive capabilities. Notable examples include embedding artificial intelligence, since they can run deep learning AI algorithms. The LX2160 is the latest 16-core processor with up to 200K DMIPS and running at up to 2.2 GHz. It can handle high-speed peripherals and is equipped with a decompression compression engine, which we took care to disable for our tests. The goal is to be objective. Engineering models are already available, and our flight model will be for Q3 2025. The LS1046 is a quad-core processor running at speed up to 1.8 GHz and delivering 30K DMIPS. With a rich set of peripherals, the LS1046, our fully qualified solution for space, is already available. To complete the power computing of the LS1046, we did the QLS1046 4GB, which is a processing module designed for space. It proposes a huge solution to add the computing power of the LS1046 and the high density in small form factor memory of our DDR4. So now, let's talk about compression algorithm. First of all, lossy compression is a compression which discards some data to achieve an important compression. The goal is to reduce a maximum of low critical data thanks to a lot of steps. There are a lot of algorithms like JPEG or MPEG which are using this concept. I'll let you make a break in this video if you need to read in detail the JPEG algorithm. I would like to bring your attention on the last step, which is a type of lossless algorithm. This means if you try to compress a JPEG file with a lossless algorithm, it is almost useless. Secondly, there are lossless algorithms, which are easier, reversible, but still a low data compression ratio on some file types. Examples of lossless algorithms are LZW, LZ4, or Huffman algorithm. This concept is based on redundancy. The goal is to optimize the coding file. This means that depending on the file, the optimization varies. For our case, LZ4 algorithm is chosen to run the benchmark. To bring some precision on LZ4 algorithm, it is a lossless algorithm which is a good trade-off between compression ratio and speed. Furthermore, a lot of users are using it, like NVIDIA, Mozilla, or Xilinx. It's important to notice this algorithm is designed for decompression. For more details, you can click on the link in the description to read our new white paper on the subject. To test the LX2160, we are using the LX2160 IRDB kit from NXP. This is the kit we used for the benchmark. About LX1046 setup, we chosen to use our new reference design kit designed with space components to run our tests. This is the board we will use in the demonstration. This board still under development today. To compare our processors against others, we tested an Intel i5 on our side, and for extended result, we selected an outside benchmark to get more data. Our goal was to compare apples with apples. Our algorithm is designed to provide parallel processing with several compression scripts. It aims to significantly reduce the aggregate time required for compression. Moreover, the algorithm operates in an endless loop, enabling continuous file compression. The process is continually monitored. For this benchmark, we tried to push many file types that make sense for space application. All file types have different margins of redundancy, which are interesting to study. For example, JPEG image is already compressed. Obviously, applying compression may be pointless, but still interesting to compare with the raw image. At the opposite, executive file or text files with their related code structure, which might demonstrate considerable data redundancy. Now, let's see the demonstration. As you can see on your screen, 3 different file types are processed by the QLS1046. A picture, a video, and an exe file are compressed in parallel. Below, you can see the results of the compression. Now, let's talk about the benchmark results. First, I can show you compression ratio data we extract from our test bench. As you can see, the compression ratio is defined by the algorithm you are using. Obviously, our lossless algorithm could not more compress files than the JPEG algorithm, which is a lossy algorithm. Secondly, we made a lot of research on compression speed on each processor. The graph we are sharing will help you to understand our result. As we can see on the radar plot, the LX2160 shows significant processing advantages compared with the Intel Core i5. Interestingly, note the similarity in the compression speed, the shape of the plot, versus individual file types as marked on the chart spokes. This graphic means the importance of algorithm selection. Moreover, the chart highlights a 4x speed advantage between the LX2160 and the slower LS1046 and Intel i5. To conclude this video, we discussed Teledyne e2v's processor with impressive compute power. Both types of compression with lossy and lossless algorithm. This video also highlights key performance factors important when considering compression methods. The LS1046 performs on a pair with commercial processors from Intel in terms of compression speed. The newest LX2160 is 4 times better than LS1046 in terms of compression power. And recall that benchmark was achieved without resorting to using the DCA, the on-chip decompression compression acceleration engine, capable of data rates up to 100 gigabits per second. If more information is needed about this subject, you can read the description with all useful links, or you can contact us by email. Thanks for watching this video.